didn't speak in straight lines. The words all danced and jumped and hid. Teachers told him he'd never read, said he'd never be worth much. But under sun and under sky, he learned to see what others couldn't touch. Built a life with his two strong hands, worked on farms and broke the ground, bred the horses, healed the wildlife, listened close to every sound. He learned to read the animals better than the page, because he watched, because he stayed. Not the easy road, not the simple way, but the one that taught him case by case. Every lesson counted, every moment earned, every heartache turned into what he learned. No pride in a trophy, no flash in a name, just the quiet truth, he showed up anyway. Made himself letters on cards with holes, found a way to frame the words with light. Taught himself a language nobody saw, till the silent letters came alive. Some had come loud on his way, but the deeper grade was what he'd made. Some read a book for what it says, some read the world and know its ways. He saw pain in a gate, a call for look, and spoke a language deeper than a page. He talked with people, watched with care, and found the life he built was prayer. Booming thunder in a childhood's doubt, shattered blast that never cracked his heart. He learned there's meaning in the climb, and nothing's lost when you take heart. Not the easy road, not the simple way, but the one that taught him case by case. Every lesson counted, every moment earned, every heartache turned into what he learned. No pride in a trophy, no flash in a name, just the quiet truth, he showed up anyway. And maybe that's the story worth the telling, not the glory, not the shine, but how you find your strength in falling, how you walk the line till